Hey, I'm Nombon and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing a kawaii box by Yume twins. So today we're going to be unboxing this kawaii box, and it's my first ever kawaii box ever in my life. So this is going to be really fun, really interesting, and let's hope it's a good one. So let's look at what the box looks like before we get into the juicy contents of this lovely box. So, on the front it says Yume twins by there, as you see, and also there again. On the purple side it has nice little sprinkles, and on the blue side it has cute kawaii little drawings of cats, rainbows, love hearts and speech bubbles, and more. I think that's candy floss, cotton candy, whatever the British people say. And some Japanese, I believe. Oh, and some cute little love hearts. Oh, how cute. So that's what the box looks like. Let's look at its contents. So today, I'm also going to tell you that today I am wearing my Khaleesi wig, so Daenerys Targaryen, Game of Thrones. I never normally say it's Game of Thrones because I've only just started watching Game of Thrones in literally like the past 2 days. I've only watched 5 episodes and it's okay, but no one tell me what's going on in it because I don't want to know until I find it out myself. Anyway, back to the box. So let's open it up. Blue sprinkles and kawaii monthly box. It says, Konnichiwa! Spread the kawaii love. Post and tag #Yume twins. Very cute. So in the box, we have this little little pad to notebook to tell you what's in the box, and a QR code. Lovely. I haven't looked through this yet, so this will be good to read. So that's what's in there. So the first item that we've got are some chopsticks. Now these are so cute. I can see that on the top of the chopsticks there's a little Totoro right there with a tiny little Totoro. If my light will let you, there we are. It's a little Totoro, but you can't really see it. We'll open it up later. The next item is 2 lunch boxes. So this is the one lunchbox lid, really cute. And then this is the other lunchbox lid. The other lunchbox lid. That sounds really hard. It's really hard to say. It's really weird. It's really hard to say. They're super cute. You get 2 boxes in there and 2 cute lids. I'm starting uni like in a month's time, so this is going to be so helpful. Next we've got a super cute, thank you light, a super cute mug. Look how cute this is. I'm looking in my viewfinder right now to see all this stuff because I haven't probably looked at all of it. But isn't it so cute? And you can kind of, oh god, I can't pick it up. So you can actually take it camping by putting it through this hoop here, like put a chain through there, then you can like put it onto your backpack. Look how cute this is. Oh, look, it's Totoro. Any small Totoro? Is it a small Totoro? It is, it's the little white Totoro. Light, please, come on. There you go, the light's not there anymore, but there we go. Super cute, isn't it? It's super cute. Totally using that. Next item is, I think it's like a little flannel or a face towel, and with a little holder that you can put it in. But I'm thinking that you could actually put a bar of soap into this container instead and keep the flannel out, and then you'll be able to keep your wet soaps with you. And the last but not least is this Totoro picnic blanket. So you can see at the bottom here of what it looks like. So that's what it looks like there. It's got a big Totoro and little Totoro. It matches the mug. So I guess we should just open it all, shouldn't we? Let's start with the chopsticks. So the chopsticks are super cute. I love them. I love chopsticks. I find chopsticks are just so fun, and I love love eating with chopsticks. It's just so much more fun than a knife and fork, and it just feels nicer in the hand because I'm dyslexic, and a very common dyslexic thing is that knives and forks are really hard to use. So let's open it out. Goodbye, cling film. Just putting that cling film in the box, so this is what it looks like without the cling film. Still, it's just as cute. Let's take them out. Ooh, okay, so it says it's bamboo, but it feels really quite plastic. I mean, it could be like there's a varnish. It said it's bamboo chopsticks, but it feels kind of plasticky. So let me show you what's on Totoro. What's on Totoro? I mean, what's on the chopsticks. So let's see if this hand thing works. It doesn't. Is it working? Okay, there you go. You can see Totoro at the top. Oh no! Did you see Totoro? Well, there's Totoro and little Totoro surrounded kind of by silver, purple and lilac blossom. It's got a purple top here. Let's see. Good drumsticks. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. It says it's bamboo, but it feels quite plastic to me. But I can't see a seam anywhere, so I am gonna believe that these are bamboo. But these are super cute. Next item is the lunch boxes. So we've got the yellow lid and the blue lid. So I'm super excited to use these for university. So here's the lid, and this is like a, you know, an air hole right here. Nice. Got the yellow lid here. Okay, so the yellow lid goes to a brown box. How cute. Ooh, looks like there's something inside there. And so the blue one gets a white box, but you could do them the other way around if you want. Ah, this thing tells you if it's airtight or not, and this is telling me that it's airtight. That's good. Right, I can see like there's paper in here, so let's look what's in here. What is this? I think it's just instructions, but it's all in Japanese. Or not instructions, but you know, health and safety stuff. Nice. I got excited then for just health and safety. So these are the two lunch boxes. Ooh, we should see if the chopsticks fit in one of the lunch boxes. They do not. Chopsticks do not fit in the lunch boxes. The next item is the mug, the super cute mug. So, this is the mug. Ooh, my screen's doing something funny. Camera. This is the mug. My neighbor Totoro! And it's got a little Studio Ghibli sticker on it there. This, oh, is it like a name tag? So you put your name on it? Is that what it is? So, let's get it out. Let's see what this is. It'll probably say in the book you get. Yeah? Is it two separate ones? Are there two? I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's a name tag. Like it's sticky? I don't know. It's not sticky, but I'm assuming it's gonna be sticky. Yeah, that's gonna be sticky. I don't know what this is. But I'm going to assume it's a name tag, so you can put it on your lunchbox or on your cup. Because, I mean, it's really cute and you don't want it to be stolen. So, there we are. So, the fourth item is the flannel face towel with the holder. Open this up. And again, it has, like, the name tag in it again. So, let's look at the flannel face towel. In Britain we say flannel, but I think in America they say face towel, because face towel or face towel, because I think flannel is what they call it, like, you know, like the fabric. Oh, really cute. So a lot of them have this pattern on it, and the mug, the yellow lunchbox and this all have this on it, and so does this green holder. Let's see. So this is what the flannel looks like, the face towel. Super cute. Oh, that'll get off the dirt. And then we've got our flannel case. Is there tape on it? Ooh, it's just got a really good gripper to it. And again, we've got another name tag? I don't know, I really don't know. So this is it. Super cute. Here's the lid here. And I'm pretty sure this is going to fit in there, obviously. Yes, it fits. After a long struggle with the flannel and just scrumpling it in there, it fits. Good. It's good. Feels quite sturdy, so that's good. And the final thing is the Totoro picnic blanket. Blanket? It is a blanket. Blanket. It's just a blanket. Okay, so it's like a plasticky kind of thing. Cool, cool. Cute! Look at this! Oh. So this is like the pattern on most of the thingies, looks like this. So it's got big Totoro, little Totoro with my neighbour Totoro written next to it. This is so cute! And yeah, it feels waterproof, so that's good. So that's really good. I like it. ASMR. No, I don't think that would be an ASMR. It's pretty threatening, isn't it? And alas, that is all the items from the Yume Twins box. So, Yume Twins, will I buy again? I don't know, because I do love all the objects that I've got, but I do know it retailed for around £30, and I would say I would get a... I don't know, because like my first impression, just from opening the box, I was like, oh, and by feeling it, it was really light. But now that I have opened everything, and I've like felt the actual quality of everything, like, yeah, maybe 30 quid is actually a pretty good price for all this stuff, but I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy again, but I definitely, if they were doing a month where they had an object that I really, really wanted, that's why I bought this one, because it was Totoro, and I love Totoro. That's why I got it. And like it's the price of what all the boxes are. They're all around 30 quid. But I don't think I would buy again unless they had an object that I really wanted, like a collection, like all of this is Totoro, like say it was like Hello Kitty or something, or a cinnamon roll. I love cinnamon rolls so much, he's just so fluffy. Yeah, but it is a good box, but I just don't think, I think maybe I would pay a few pounds cheaper, but again, only a few pounds in it. And now actually feeling the quality of everything, it is all actually really sturdy. And there is actually, I'm looking at it on my desk and like that is a decent amount of stuff, 30 quid. So maybe I would actually, but it's really up to you. And I did only buy the one box, I didn't subscribe to it for 3 months or whatever. I only bought the one box because I want to test out a bunch of different boxes first. So I might buy again one day, but not in the foreseeable future. But still, a good box. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please subscribe if you want to see more unboxings and kawaii videos, makeup, fashion, toys. I don't know what else I'm going to do on my channel, but there's some things I'm going to do. Wigs, maybe some short films, but yeah. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, please like if you like this video, and bye!